Hey, hey, this nice. This nice right here. Hey, uh, you look good. You look good. Ain't no problem. Ain't no problem. Uh, what's your name again? Oh, that's nice. That's cute. That's cute. I ain't heard a name like that before, but it's cute. I know I told you my name was Darius, but you can go ahead and call me Lil D. Just let you know it's not Lil D. I mean, you can find out later, but you know. So, I know you say you go to school and stuff, right? Yeah. Boss bitch, yeah. I like that. Independent woman. That's my type of chick, you know. But what you studying again? Mm. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool now. Um. Oh, what you gonna do with that? Oh, yeah, that's cool. Like, I used to draw. I used to draw, but hair ain't no make no money. I chase that money. I chase money, bro. I mean, oh, I don't really got a job. I just be hitting licks. But I do little things here and there. But I take care of you. I take care of you. But don't get twisted though, cause I'm not looking for a relationship. But we see where this go. Mm. Yeah, man. Uh, I got a place, but I live with my mom though. But uh, it's cool though, cause she be cooking for us and stuff, and she make us some good meals and everything. And I mean, you can spend night. When you spend night, I ain't got no what's it called? I ain't got no uh what's some things called? Oh, I ain't got no pillowcases. But, it's still nice though. It's still nice though. Yeah. I was thinking about going back to school. Oh, but I don't know, that kinda stressed me out because I feel like who goes to school for? Why we go to school? You can just get rich without going to school, you know? School. Oh. So you look a little exotic. Yeah. And I like that. What you mix with? Oh, your dad black? Oh, oh, that's tough. But damn, dang, do you speak Spanish though? Oh, just a little bit. I mean, it's okay. I'm not racist or anything. I just be having preferences. Yeah, but yeah. Uh, so you got a nice car. That's nice, boy. I mean, my car not too nice either, but I'm working on getting another one. Yeah. Do you cook? You cook? Oh, what you be cooking, girl? What's that? Curry? Oh, what's that? Indian food? I don't be fucking with that though. Why are you eating that? You vegan? What? So you don't eat meat, but you eat like, uh, you still be eating eggs and cheese though, right? No? What you be eating? You just be eating grass and flowers and shit? Oh, oh man, I can't do that though, cause I gotta stay small. Cause if I'm a man in the house, I need meat. I need to be protecting y'all, so I gotta get strong. I need that protein. You be getting protein from what? Oh, see, I didn't think about that. But I'm not gorilla though. I can't just be living off of bananas and shit. But that's crazy. You just be starving all the time, huh? Oh, I mean that's cool and all, but no, I need meat, bro. Cause me go ham, bro. Good though, me go ham though. It causes erectile dysfunction. Oh, see, look, that's you lying, bro. Stop lying. You lying, girl. You lying, bro. Oh, but I don't know how you do it, bro. I don't know. My mom ain't gonna like that though. But it's whatever. It's whatever. See, it's cool. But yeah, you seem like you got your life together. I like that. I like that you know who you are and stuff, and do all this great things. So, you know, I'm just rough right. I'm a little rough right now, but it's nothing. You know, I be doing you know, I just be needing a break all the time. Yeah, I be smoking like every day here and there and all that, and you know, but ain't no big deal. But I hope we can still go out. I mean, we can go to my place. You want to go to my place right now? Look, man, I don't care about that first date stuff. Look, I ain't gonna call you a hoe, nothing. No, I'm just looking for a good time. It ain't nothing. Ain't nothing because you're cute. What? Bro, girl, look, you bold for thinking like that I'm a mess. I'm not a mess. You a mess, bitch. You a dumb bitch. Look at you. Fat and only eat flowers. How you fat only eat flowers? This shit, get on my face. That's why you are a hoe, because you almost went to my house. You know that shit.